Hi friends! Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Home Remedies presents. This recipe restores 80% of vision the next day. Today you will know one of the best recipes to improve your vision naturally. If you are losing your vision and have to use glasses to see well, then watch the video till the end to find out how to develop and improve your vision today with this magnificent home treatment. What I like most about the preparation of this treatment is that in addition to helping us recover one of the most important senses of our body, each of the ingredients that we will need to make it are simple and we can get it in our favorite supermarket. Not to mention that they have a low cost, making it affordable for all people. If your vision is blurred, you have trouble reading, you tear your eyes, or you have sensitivity to a simple light like the screen of a phone, look for pencil and paper to take notes because this remedy is for you. Home remedy to improve the vision: 7 Oz 200 ml flaxseed oil, 2 lemons, 3 garlic cloves, 2.2 pounds 1 kg raw honey. Preparation: peel and boil the lemons, add the ground garlic in. Finally add the honey and flaxseed oil and stir well. Pour the mixture into a jar and make sure you keep it in a cool and dark place, preferably in your fridge. Take a tablespoon before your meals. Do not forget to stir it once in a while using wooden or plastic spoon, never metal, as it can destroy the nutrients. Respondents who have enjoyed the benefits of this remedy say that their diopter has improved from -4 to -2. This recipe also improved their skin condition, so their skin became smooth and soft. This remedy has also proven to be beneficial for those who struggle with hair loss because they have soon noticed that their hair has stopped falling off. Respondents also said that this remedy significantly improved their hair quality, giving their hair a nice and healthy shine. If you found this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.